You know, I am standing on this thing.
Yeah.
Us in our idiotic moments.
Oh, come on, this is smart.
Don't cut my phone off, please.
Oh my gosh. Bam! Look at that.
You could have told me to get off. Now get
cut.
mine.
That was a beautiful. Ew.
Oh, it broke.
Your fault.
Woohoo! Beautiful. Well, what to now? Woodcutter? Oh yeah, because that's so hard. You're weak.
Fine, keep it!
Let me try. Ugh.
I'm worried about letting you hold the thing. And we'll stand back here. Don't cut your hand off.
And that's how it's done.
Sexy.
Let's go in there.
That's blackberries.
Oh, man. Well, I'm allergic to blackberries, so let's do it. Hi-ho, off the roof. Do. I got it. Let's go to Kent and chop Nick's head off. No, for not showing up for rock band session. Oh shit, I'm still recording.